Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Right now, we're going to take a look at the romaine lettuce for the second time. I just want y'all to see how this happens. Now, these romaine have bolted because it got too hot for them. Even though we're still at the tail end of winter, we're here in Zone 9B of Florida, so anything above 70, and they're gonna bolt. Anyhow, you see the fuzzies. Those are basically like parachutes for the seeds. There's a whole bunch of them over here. And over there, there's none. Today, anyway. But I'm going to harvest these seeds right there. Anyhow, I just wanted to show you what they look like right after they open. Right after the pod opens up. And this is romaine lettuce. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as that helps the channel out quite a bit. Have a good day.